What's up everyone, I'm Dre Skeen and it is World Bartender Day. And if you're like me, you're a stickler for a good drink, right? So today we're here at Broken Plate with Orain Edwards. He's going to prepare his signature drink and we're going to chat with him a little bit. All right, so first question, why did you decide to become a bartender?
All right, from a tender age, I knew I wanted to be a part of the hospitality industry. So I was a chef for a period of time, served for a period of time, and now doing something I was really interested in the first place, but didn't know how to start. But research and all those things, innovative industry, had to try it, so I'm here.
So what would you say is the most rewarding part of being a bartender?
Most rewarding part? Being a bartender. It's a customer's reaction really, because it can change a customer's perspective of a day just by one drink.
Well, I can attest to that.
Yeah.
So tell us, what advice would you give to other persons who want to become a bartender?
Wanting to become a bartender? Well, never look at the challenges of being a bartender as a hurdle. Never try to not try something, because industry is ever changing, customs are new and all those things. So always try new things and always try to just do the right things in the industry. Right?
So speaking about new things, what would you say is your signature drink?
Signature drink? All right, so my signature drink would involve rosemary. I can't give you all the ingredients just as yet, but it would involve rosemary. I like a really good rosemary syrup. So definitely if you're using rosemary syrup with our beloved rum, white rum, it's good.
I've never had any drink with rosemary, so that, can I get that here at Broken Plate, or it's just your special drink?
Special drink, yeah.
So if our viewers want to know how they can get this, how can get this?
Just come to Broken Plate and ask for me, and I'll see what I can do for you.
So what makes you one of the best in the bartending game right now?
Right now, have to be humble. For sure. Always research, always take the task on hand, because customers come in and ask for things like they can't have this or that, seeing something on the menu and liking it, and I can't have this ingredient or that ingredient. So you have to be flexible. So I think I'm really flexible. I think I can create things out of nothing. So.
Well, there you have it. For World Bartender Day, we have Orain Edwards. Come check out Broken Plate and ask for that rosemary drink. I know I will definitely be doing that. So, thank you once again.